So for this recipe, I'm boiling 3 to 4 cups of frozen peaches with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of agave, depending on how sweet you want it. If you use fresh peaches, just add a little bit of spring water. You want to boil it until it's reduced by half, and it should look kind of syrupy like this. You want to go ahead and cut that off because we are going to leave some of the juices so that when we bake it, it can help to cook our batter. And so for the batter recipe, I did change it up a little bit from what you see in the video. I recommend that you use 3 cups of spelt flour, 1/4 cup of date sugar, a dash of sea salt, and you combine that with 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil and 1/2 cup of sparkling spring water. And you can also add a little more agave based on your preference. Now, I did add in about 1 to 2 cups of whipped aquafaba. That will give you a lighter dough, but if you want it thicker and more of a cake or more of a pie crust kind of consistency, omit the aquafaba. But if you use aquafaba, then just gently fold that into your batter after you've combined all your wet ingredients. Then go ahead and add your peaches to your pan, and then you want to go ahead and pour your batter on top. You want to preheat your oven while you're doing this to 350 degrees, and you want to bake that for about 30 to 40 minutes. I did sprinkle some date sugar, but as you can see, it kind of made it look a little burnt on the top because the sugar cooked faster. So I recommend omitting that step. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And there you have it.